welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and today I am doing a makeup look using this X-Ray shadow palette that I got from Beauty Bay, and this is by Revolution Beauty London. So it says X-Ray color, X-Ray shades, extra color, just extra. So I'm trying to see, it says shadow palette. It doesn't say what these colors in the middle are, but this is a palette. Again, this is off of Beauty Bay. This is from Revolution Beauty, which is based in the UK. I really like their stuff. I'm not sure, I think like these can possibly, of course you can use as eyeshadows as well, but I think these could also be used as highlighters here and then some blush. It doesn't say on the back like what each one is or a color name or anything like that, but this is a palette, so this is basically pinks, and I'm going to be doing a look today. I don't know what kind of look. I haven't even swatched these. Before this video goes up, you'll actually see a Beauty Bay haul, and in that haul I got I think I got like 5 or 6 palettes. I'm going to put the haul up and then I'm doing looks for each palette, so that way you can kind of see what you can do with the palettes. And also, I did mention in that video that they actually came packaged really, really well. So don't be hesitant to order from Beauty Bay because they're based overseas. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to be pulling out some things that I got for my December Boxycharm to use to finish off the look as well. So I don't know what kind of look I'm going to be doing. I think I just kind of want to see what I can come up with. I am going to probably have to swatch a few shades before I use them to kind of see if I want to use them. But I think I want to go into this color here. It's like a peachy shade, and put that in my crease. And we'll see what rabbit hole this leads us down. So as you can see, like their colors are really pigmented. I already did my face just because I don't know how long it's gonna take me to do this look or figure out what I want to do. So I got my face done, and then also in the Boxycharm December box, I didn't get any type of skincare or anything like that, which is fine with me because I'd rather just get makeup products. So there was nothing for me to show when it came to like prepping and doing like the rest of my face. Okay, so that color is pretty nice. Let's go in and mix in this. I'm gonna go with this bright pink. I know like what I'm wearing doesn't have any pink in it. It's like red and yellow. It's like a comic book strip dress, and I got it from Shein. Probably gonna take the orange color back over top. To finish blending this out. And I am kind of winging it out a little bit. Okay, I don't see like, I was looking to see if I had like fallout, but I don't really see any fallout right now. All right, now time for some swatches because I want to see what some of these colors are. So let's check this color, and this color. What did I do? So I went this color, this color, this color. Okay, I went out of order on my fingers, but okay. That's nice. Okay. I'm going to try that's a nice color too. And you know, these swatches are of these colors you would expect to be a little bit more like brown gold. So this one, this one, this one, and then this one. I'm gonna swatch this one right now and this one. and see what those are giving. So this is that big one. And then this is a smaller one at the top with like the speckles in it. I think what I'm going to do is use this color here. I think that was this one. Yeah, so let's put it on my finger first and build that color up. Okay, let me get a brush and see if I can get this color. I'm gonna also just wet the brush too if this doesn't. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let me go get some spray so that I can see if that will intensify it. Okay, so I got my Wet n Wild Rose water primer, and we're going to, I might even mix the color and add another color on top. Okay, let's try, I think it's this color that I want to try. I might put all those colors on my lid. You never know. Okay, now what color are we going to be digging into? I think I want to go into, I don't know, maybe I'll try to bring in, I'm gonna go for this color down here. I wish they had color names. I think I might have to build that up. But I wanted to bring in this color to kind of bring in the color from my dress a little bit. Even though this is more of like a red, but this on camera is coming out kind of, looks a little reddish pink. Okay, let me keep trying to build this color up. Okay, I don't want this to be looking like my other looks. Let me add this purplish color here. Okay, and now I'm just blending it out a bit in my crease and then like within this area here. Okay, and I want to bring back the color on my lid so I don't lose that. So I'm just going to pat that on. And I know I mixed the colors on my lid, but I'm actually taking the first shade that I put down and patting that over top so that I don't lose the shimmer that's there. Okay, now let's go ahead and do eyeliner. We'll get into like the Boxycharm stuff as I'm using it. I do have a little bit of fallout right here, so I'll just take my brush, and sweep that away. So I need to go do my eyeliner and then I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. I went ahead and put my eyeliner on. I did the under eye, the lower lash shadow here, the same as the shadows I use in my crease. So I did mix all the colors from my crease to create this. The orange shade I use more in the front, and then I started to fade out using the darker shades to go back. So now for my waterline, since I have this dress on and it's like white and black with this like red and yellow here, I do have these two Colourpop gel liners. One is the color Punch, and then this is the color, what is this? CRSSD. I don't even know what that means. Okay, so let me put that on my hand. I don't know which color I want to use or if I want to basically use them both. So there's this CRSSD color. I need to find out what that means. And then here is this color. I think I'm going to use this color. I might put that color on top to be bold. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Let's just put this on top and see what it does. That's better. Okay, so now let's get into the items that I'm going to be using. So I will just show everything that I received in the Boxycharm. So this is the December Boxycharm, and I'm going to only use, I think, just one of the items out of here. But okay, so one of the first items I got received is this Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, and that looks like this. So I'll have to do a look with that. This is $27, so that's a good deal. Let me see, for the base box, I think you're paying like $25 or $27. So already this makes up for the cost of the box. The next item I received is this Eloise Beauty. It says Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. This retails for $26. And ooh, that's pretty. I'll have to use that too. All right, and then we got this Glamnetic Baby Girl Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. So I'm not using these today. I kind of want to save like my good lashes for when I finally get to go out somewhere. And together they retail for $63. So let's pull out this. Okay, so it comes in this tube. I'm going to be putting these both together in my lash drawer. All right, and then it is the MAC Cosmetics matte lipstick, and this is the color Chili. So I don't have this color. I think I only have two matte lipsticks. I have Velvet Teddy and a red one. Is it Russian something? I don't know, but I don't have Chili. And the ones I have are minis. So this is what this looks like. Should I put that on my lip? No, I think I'm gonna do a soft pink on my lip. So there is that, and the matte lipstick retails for $19. Okay, and then the last item I received is this Tarte Man Eater mascara, which retails for $23. And this I can use today because I haven't done mascara yet. So let me put on this mascara. It says it is, warning, maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. Okay, so I'm expecting compliments. I'm gonna need y'all to comment below once I put this mascara on, and we'll see. seems good, but I don't like these, like, I don't think you can see them, but you can't see these like tiny little spiky spindle things. This feels weird. But they actually do like separate your lashes, which I like. Okay. I like this. Let me see, how much was it? $23. I think you can get like a good drugstore brand to do the same thing. So I don't know if I would purchase $23 of my own money, but it's nice to get in the box everything that we got. And I think the total value of the box, if I was keeping track, was about $158. I might be wrong. I'm gonna throw the total up somewhere on the screen. So you definitely get your money's worth with the items. They have some like nice brands. I want to use this and try this. Let me just go ahead and swatch some of the colors. So I'm going to swatch this middle shade here. That's pretty. This darker shade, and then this top shade, and see. So we'll have to do like a purple look for sure. Let me swatch this shade here. Okay, yeah, I definitely want to do a purple look, so we'll set that aside to use one day. And I'm gonna go off, I need to finish off, like, you know, put my earrings on, do my lipstick, and then I will come right back. All right, so I did my lips. I used a Jordana Easy Liner in Plush Plum. And then over top, I use this Laritzi Cosmetics in Nudes. I don't know where I got that from, probably some type of box. I didn't do my inner corner, I almost forgot. So we need to do our inner corner. I'm gonna try this color here. I think it's popping as much as I want it to pop. Like, I like it to be like bright. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. And then I'm gonna try to use this color as a blush. Let me just dab into that. Okay. And then let's use this as a highlight. This one's probably not like, oh, well, there's a little bit of something, something. Okay. Cool. So this is the look. Just again, this X-Ray shadow palette. I did get this from beautybay.com. I don't know if you can find this on Revolution's, Makeup Revolution's website. I think their website is called Revolution Beauty. I don't know if you can find it on there because I don't remember seeing it on there, and I was on there like last week looking around, but it may be on there as well. But Beauty Bay is going to have other brands on their website. They're both going to be shipping from overseas anyway, so just check out both sites if you're interested. And before you go, make sure that you leave a comment down below on what you think of this look. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe so that you don't miss my next video, and then give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.